Morning children, welcome back in our online GK class. Hope you are good and safe at home. I hope you have given your quarterly examinations well. Children, in our GK book we have completed 9 chapters. So today I am going to start chapter 10. Okay, kindly take out your GK book, pencil and eraser and start reading with me. Please open page number 14. Okay, let's start our chapter. Chapter 10, Places of Interest. You can see 4 pictures are given in your book. They are the historical places. Historical places are also called places of interest. Okay. India is a beautiful country with many important historical places. Given below are the pictures of a few of them. Read the information and know more about our country. My dear children, our country India is a beautiful country and it is known for its historical monuments, historical places and many more things that like Indian beauty, our culture, glory and so on. So here in this topic we are going to study about some historical places and some monuments that is given in your book. Okay, so please open your book. Students, I will show you the pictures in the book closely, then I will explain the chapter. Okay? The first one is Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is a palace in Jaipur, India. It is made with red and pink sandstone. It is located at the edge of the city palace. Okay? Second, India Gate. India Gate is a national monument dedicated to 82,000 soldiers of the Indian Army who died during the First World War. Children, I have shown the picture of Hawa Mahal in your book. So let's study something more about Hawa Mahal. Okay? Hawa Mahal is a palace in Jaipur, India. At first we will talk about palace. What is the meaning of palace? Palace means Mahal. Hawa Mahal is a palace. Palace is Jaipur. Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan state. Okay? And Jaipur is also known as Pink City because of its red and pink sandstone. It is made with red and pink sandstone. Okay? It is located at the edge of the city palace Jaipur. It is located at the edge of the city palace. City palace is also a palace in Jaipur and Hawa Mahal is located at the edge of the city palace. It means Hawa Mahal is a part of city palace. Okay? Hawa Mahal is built in 1799 by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh. Okay? New Delhi is the capital city of India and so many historical places are there in New Delhi. Okay? New Delhi is famous for historical places also. Okay? Now I am talking about India Gate. India Gate, I have shown in the picture, there is the gate. There is the gate and it is dedicated to 82,000 soldiers of Indian Army who died during the First World War. Okay? Children, one interesting fact I would like to tell you about India Gate. The names of the soldier who died during the First World War is written on the wall of the gate. Every side is filled with the names of the soldiers. If you get chance to visit New Delhi, you must go to visit these beautiful places. Third one is Ajanta and Ellora caves. You can see the picture of Ajanta and Ellora caves in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, were designed by hand with the help of a hammer and chisel. Okay? Fourth one, Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is the highest stone tower in India. It is 73 meters high, which was built by a ruler named Qutubuddin Aibak. Okay? Ajanta and Ellora caves. I have shown the pictures of Ajanta and Ellora caves and Qutub Minar. Right? Ajanta and Ellora caves in Aurangabad, Maharashtra were designed by hand with the help of a hammer and chisel. Dear student, first of all, I would like to tell you about Aurangabad. Aurangabad is a city of Maharashtra state. Okay? Ajanta and Ellora caves are the major tourist attraction in Aurangabad. Right? 29 caves in Ajanta and 17 caves in Ellora are the famous tourist attraction, and they are the beautiful example of harmony between Hinduism, Jainism and Buddhism. It is famous for its beauty. Designs that are made inside the caves signifies the glory, culture and history of India. Okay? Next one is Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is the highest stone tower in India. Students, do you know where is Qutub Minar? It is in New Delhi. As I told you, there are many historical places in New Delhi. Qutub Minar is one of them. Okay? Qutub Minar is the highest stone tower, and the height of the Qutub Minar is 73 meter. Okay? And it was built by a ruler named Qutubuddin Aibak. Okay? Qutubuddin Aibak. Do you know there is a spiral staircase of 379 steps in Qutub Minar? Okay? Students, along with the chapter, you have to learn the names of the monuments with the names of the city and states. Okay? You have to learn all the spellings that is written on the board. Okay? Along with the chapter, you have to learn and revise all these things. This is your homework. Okay? That's all for this chapter. We will meet in the new video with the new chapter. Okay? Thank you.